Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Notion for team collaboration. So first you need to create an account on Notion. So you can just create an account using your Google account and other platforms right here. For me the easiest is by connecting it to my Google account. So once you have created an account on a Notion, then you should see this dashboard right here. To start with a project, tap this plus icon, and then you can now start adding here a title of your project. Let's just say team collaboration. You can even add emoji and add a cover right here if you want to start from scratch. Or if you want to look for templates here related to your collaboration, let's just say if you are about to create a tasking for your team or project management, or let's just say YouTube channel and so on. There are tons of templates here on Notion that you can choose from. All you need to do is to look for that. If you want to create to-do list or weekly to-do list, then you just have to look for the template right here. For example, this one, and all you need to do is to edit this or delete some unnecessary elements or features, but it's too easy. You just have to edit or add the details that you want to include here on your task. Now, if you want to create a team collaboration and you want to start from scratch, there are tons of elements here inside Notion. To start, you just have to tap slash, then you will see here elements such as table, list, table view, bulleted list, and so on. You can even add image here, calendar, you can add link, YouTube link, and a lot more. You can add here like divider and so on. So there are tons of elements that you can choose from. All you need to do is to type slash, look for that, and add elements. So for example, if you want to add tasking, and then basically you can add a table right here, add the name of your coworkers or your team members, add a task right here. So here I have added the table and added the task of my members. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Once I have added the task right here, I can assign this to someone. And here on Notion, you can also set a priority if this one is urgent, if this one is not. So you can just basically just add it right here. I set deadlines, I set points, but everything is up to you. Here you can add again another feature or element. You just have to type slash and then look for the view. Like for example, if you want to add table view, calendar view, everything is up to you. So this is how easy it is. I'm going to show you what it looks like if you have finished an example of a Notion team collaboration project. So this is what it looks like, and I know that you can do better than this. There are tons of elements and features here in Notion. You can also use one of their templates. Everything is up to you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.